Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're tired of your charging cables being a jumbled mess, check out this magnetic charging cable from Botail. I keep this one in my car because I was always struggling to find the end of my other charger, and I needed something where I would always be able to find the end. This magnetic charging cable is the solution to that for me. It's really easy to wind and unwind, so I typically like mine a little bit tighter, but it is taller that way. So if you want it to be flatter, you can loosen it up by just unwinding it like this and allowing it to stay magnetized to itself. When you do need to take it apart, it's really easy to unwind, but when you're going to wind it up again, you're going to just want to twist it just like if you were winding up a garden hose, and it's going to magnetize to itself. And again, you can make it as wide or as tight as you want. So if you're tired of that jumble mess of cables and trying to untangle them, or you just want to always know where the end of your charging cable is in your car like I do, you're going to love this magnetic charging cable from Botail. I really do, and that's my point of view.